Okay, this is problem number 10. It says use the sum to product formulas to find the solutions of the equation sine of t plus sine of 3t equals sine of 2t. So we're going to rewrite this as 2 sine of t plus 3t divided by 2 times cosine of t minus 3t divided by 2. And that still equals sine of 2t. And to simplify, we have 2 sine of, this will reduce to 2t, cosine of negative t equals sine of 2t. We can rewrite this as 2 sine of 2t. We know that cosine is even, so we can write that as cosine of t equals sine of 2t still. And now since we're finding solutions, we want to move this sine of 2t to the left-hand side. So we have 2 sine of 2t cosine of t minus sine of 2t equals 0. And we have an equation equal to 0. And we need to find the solution, so what we want to do is have multiplication on the left-hand side if we can. So we really want to pull out that sine of 2t and have that multiplied to 2. Cosine of t is left from the first term, and then we have a minus 1 for the second term. That's equal to 0. Now we have a product on the left-hand side equal to 0. And so we set each expression, sine of 2t equal to 0, and 2 cosine of t minus 1 equal to 0, and we solve for t. Sine of 2t equal to 0. When is sine equal to 0? We know that sine of equal to 0, 0 at pi over 2. So we need to set, sine is equal to 0 at pi. So we need to set this inside 2t equal to pi. And we find that t equals pi over 2. And that's our first solution. And here we need to add 1 to both sides. So we're left with 2 cosine of t equals 1. Divided by 2, we have cosine of t equaling 1/2. And cosine of t equals 1/2 when t equals pi divided by 3 plus 2 pi n, or 5 pi divided by 3 plus 2 pi n. And those are all of our solutions.